Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use ellipse command in CATIA. Okay guys, CATIA lecture 7 is today discussed here, and all points is clear. Explain all these points deeply and clearly. Okay, so let's see what are the ellipse command in CATIA and how to easily use in ellipse command in CATIA. At first, we want to create new sketch interface in CATIA software. Therefore, at first open CATIA software. Okay. This is our CATIA software interface, and we will see here there are various command. You can see here how this works. We will see here, and we will learn one by one. Okay, all 2D tools in CATIA software in use, and this all tools is you can see here and learn one by one. Next previous lecture is define, and all spline and circle and rectangle and profile is also discussed here. Today is only ellipse point is discussed here. Okay, today ellipse command is learn here. Okay, this ellipse command is you can see here, and all points. Okay, and this point is open, and this all is conic point is you can see here, and first point is ellipse. Okay, ellipse point and click anywhere in interface CATIA interface. Okay, this point is click here, and major axis and minor axis is defined. This is a major axis. Okay, this is a ellipse, and this is a minor axis. Okay, again drawing this point and click this. This is a major axis, and this is a minor axis. Okay, and next point is a you can see here parabola on by focus. Okay, this is a parabola, and this is wide and narrow. At first wide, more and wide, and less narrow. This wide, and this point click here, and first point is and second point is okay. This point is parabola by focus. Okay, next point is a hyperbola. Okay, this point you can see here, this is a drawing here, click. Okay, and this point is a escape. Okay, again this point and click here, wide. Okay, this and this point is okay, this and this and also this. Okay, this point is hyperbola, and this point is a okay, you can see here this point is a drag here, and this point is also drag here, and all points is drag here. Okay, next is a conic. Conic means two line. At first drawing here, first line, and the second line is a this point. Okay, and conic point is a first line and second line is a okay, and draw here. Okay, this point also a draw here, this point and this point is a Okay, okay, and this line is a delete here, not okay, this point delete here. Okay, this point is a click here, and this first line draw here, and second line is also draw here, and this is also a generate a conic line, and this is a maximum line is a red cross. You can see here, this is a red. You can see here, this line is red is maximum point and not any, and this maximum is not drag here, not drag here. Okay, and this point is a click here. Okay, and you can see here again, this point is a okay, this first line is a and second okay, and first line is a drag here, and second line is a point. Okay, not any connect. Okay, and this point is a okay, okay, all conic section, all conic point you can see here, drag here, and mention any. This point is a okay, and this point is a this is a okay. Okay guys, next lecture 8 is coming soon, and ellipse is all points is discussed here, and get at first more and more new videos coming soon. Please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.